All right, 9.7 challenge questions. This is just for fun. All right, so we have a table. School A. All right, and School B. Freshmen, sophomores, juniors, and seniors. Okay. All right, School A has 30% freshmen, 27% sophomores, 25% juniors, 18% seniors. School B has got 28, 28, 24, and 20. Okay, 48 says, what's the probability of a School A junior and a School B senior being chosen for a committee? All right, probability of School A junior would be 25 over 100, 1 over 4. The probability of a B senior would be 20 over 100. So you're going to multiply those. Well, 20 goes into 105. 25 goes into 104 times. So the probability of getting a School A junior and a School B senior would be 1 over 20, which would be 5%. Okay, 49. 2 juniors. So a junior from A and a junior from B. So $25 over 100 times 24 over 100. Or if you just want to save yourself some time, you can just get on a calculator and multiply decimals. 0.25 times 0.24 equals 0.06, which would be 6%. So there's a 6% chance you grab 2 juniors. There's a 5% chance you grab a A junior and a B senior. So look at number 50. A freshman or sophomore from A. So a freshman or sophomore from A and a senior from B. So a freshman or sophomore would be 57. You just add those, right? And a senior at B would be 20 over 100. So again, handy dandy calculator, 57 times 2 equals, so it would be an 11.4% chance. Pretty easy. 51. 2 number cubes are rolled. So 2 dice are rolled. What's the probability the sum is greater than 9 or less than 6? Okay. Well, let's look. Let's look at all the different ways we could roll our dice. Well, the lowest number I can get is 2. The highest number I can get is 3. I mean, the highest number I can get is 12, right? So let's just look. I've got dice, right? And they've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and a 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let's just number this up real quick. We'll do a little old school. How many ways can I get a 2? A 1 and a 1, that's the only way. How many ways can you get a 3? A 1 and a 2, or a 2 and a 1. So I can get a 3 2 different ways. How about a 4? We get a 1 and a 3. Okay. I could get a 1 and a 4. I could get, no, sorry, I get a 1 and a 3, 2 and a 2, and 1 and a 3. So there's 3 ways to get a 4. How about 5? I can get a 1 and a 2. I lied. A 1 and a 4, a 2 and a 3, a 3 and a 2, and that 1 and a 4. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4 ways to get a 5. How many ways can I get a 6? I'm going to get a 1 and a 5, a 2 and a 4, a 3 and a 3, 2 and a 4, 1 and a 5. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ways to get a 6. And how many ways to get a 7? Well, 1 and a 6. So basically 6 ways. So what do you think 8 is? It's going to be 5. What do you think 9 is? It's going to be 4. What do you think 10 is? It's going to be 3. 11 is going to be 2, and 11 is going to be 1. So those are all the different ways we can get dice. So how many ways are there total? We can sum those up, but we know there's going to be 36. How do we know that? Because 6 times 6 is 36. All right. So how many can we get with a sum greater than 9? 6. So what's the probability of greater than 9? Well, it'd be 6 over 36. What's the probability of less than 6? 4, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the probability of less than 6 is 10 over 36. So what's the probability of being less than 6 or greater than 9? So you just add them together. So you can factor it down. So 6 over 36 plus 10 over 36 is equal to 16 over 36. You can factor out a 2. That's going to be 8 over 18. So I can factor out another 2. Should be 4 over 9. So the probability is 4 over 9. All right, 52. Tatana has X plus 2 pins. Sam has 2X plus 1. Sorry, 2X minus 1. She has, for 52A, Tatana has 2 blue pins. Find the probability she pulls out a blue pin at random. So if she has X plus 2, so her probability would be 2 over X plus 2. That would be her probability for number 52A. 52B says this: Samuel has X minus 3 blue pins. What's the probability he pulls out a blue pin at random? So this would be X minus 3 over 2X minus 1. Easy enough. C. Find that both Tatana and Samuel pull out blue pins at random. So we're going to have X minus 3 times 2X minus 1 times 2 over X plus 2. Okay, B, just multiplying them. Find the probability either of them pull out a pin at random. So now we do the OR statement. So Tatana was 2 plus X over 2, and he was X minus 3 over 2X minus 1. So what do we have to do? We'd have to multiply hers, top and bottom, by 2X minus 1. We'd have to multiply his top or bottom by X plus 2. So now we can do that. It's going to be the same denominator. So it's going to be 4X minus 2 plus X squared minus X minus 6. Can we simplify that? Sure can. So it's going to be X squared plus 3X minus 8. All over the denominator. Now the question is, can we find something that has a product of 8 and a sum of 3? The answer is no. So we're done. So the answer is X squared plus 3X minus 8 all over 2x minus 1 times x plus 2. Okay? Easy enough. That is it.